Okay, so we're gonna do some diving today. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Gonna get a 5?
Yeah.
So what I usually do is I start with diving on the steps so that they're not going that far down and the pressure in their ears doesn't drastically change. So last week, me and Abdil worked on diving on the second step, and then we did the third step, and then we moved to the actual floor of the shallow end. So, and he did pretty good, didn't you? Did you do good? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys today how to do some dive rings. And how old are you? Are you 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's 2. So, and he's pretty good. So just watch. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So we got dive rings on the bottom step. We're gonna start there, and then we'll start at the bottom of the floor, okay? Okay, you ready? We're gonna go down and get that one. You wanna get the blue, yellow, or red one first? The yellow? Go. Okay, swim to the step. Good job. Good job. Okay, now swim to my hand, and then we'll get the dive ring on the way back. Go. Yay! Can I get 5?
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna get the red one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta grab it. Ready, set, go. Kick, kick, kick. Good job. What? You dropped it. Why'd you drop it? You just want to keep going down there, huh? Go. Yeah. Roll, relax. Good job. Okay, you gotta grab it. Can you grab it? Okay, ready? Go. Good job. Look, can you show me you got it? Woohoo! Okay, put it up there. All right, I feel like you're ready for the bottom. Okay, ready? Go. His face. Good job. You're such a good little swimmer. Okay, we're gonna go all the way to the bottom now, okay? Do you want to get the blue one or the red one first? The red one? Okay, ready, set, go. Kick, kick, kick. Woohoo! Good job. Ready? Go. The color red, that's for sure. Good job. Oh, I think he almost got the blue one too. Good job. Good job. Ready? Go. All right, can you try to get both of them? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, ready? Set, go. Kick, kick, kick. Awesome. Okay, and that time I just pushed him down, and then he basically had it, and I just grabbed his shorts to continue to guide him so that he didn't have my hands on him, so that he knows that he can do it on his own without me assisting. So it's kind of just taking away the guiding so that they build that confidence that they can do it on their own.